Installing an egress window provides a lot of benefits to your basement, but is it necessary for you to have one? That's the question that we're going to answer in this video. Hi, I'm Nolan, the sales director here at Acculevel. You may be thinking about getting an egress window in your basement, but first you're wondering, is it necessary? Does every basement need an egress window? That's the subject that we're going to tackle in this video. So when it comes to does your basement need an egress window or not, really what it comes down to is how you're going to use the space. So if you're going to use that space for bedrooms, for living, a bar area, living room, that kind of stuff, for that to be listed as livable square footage, yes, you absolutely have to have those egress windows. Now, if that basement's being used as storage, nobody's spending a lot of time in there, your basement doesn't have to have it. It really becomes to, hey, do you want to list this as livable square footage with your home? But the other part too is if kids are playing down there or a lot of people are spending a good amount of time down there, it's a major safety factor as well, as providing that additional exit in case of a fire or something catastrophic like that. Short answer is, does every basement need it? No. It is a great thing to have in your basement, however. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you understand if you need an egress window in your basement. For more information, click the link below. Again, thank you so much, and be sure to like and subscribe.